Hey guys, in this video we're going to show you how to replace your BMW M4 rear arch PPF with an upgraded new version. So the reason we're going to do this is because over time these get damaged, they also get yellowed. You don't really see that on a black car, but on other colours you will. And there's also a lot of orange peel and texture, so it doesn't look very good. They're very obvious when they're fitted. So by fitting the replacement pieces, these are much better quality PPF. This is 12-year rated film, and it's not going to have this horrid orange peel. It's going to look amazing and virtually invisible when it's fitted. So the first step is we're going to use a heat gun or a hairdryer. We're going to heat up the film, and it's going to allow us to remove it with leaving less residue on the panel. So you just want to get like a little edge up, basically. Sort of start like that, start just peeling it off. And then when you've got a nice piece like that, just a gentle heat, and all you need to do is pull it back towards you like that. If you pull it like this, you see immediately it starts to leave residue. So if you make sure that you pull it like this, it's much less likely to leave any. And you can't see it when it's on the car, but you can see how yellowed and faded the film is. So this is the film removed. Look at the yellowing. So that's not visible on the black car, but on other colours it is. Okay, so we've removed the original piece, and you can see there is a little bit of glue residue left. That's not a problem. So to fix that, we're going to use some tar and glue remover. You can use any tar and glue remover that you want. We're going to use Auto Smart TARDIS because that's just what we use. So you can just spray it onto the panel, and then you can, that's very strong. Once you sprayed it onto the panel, you can leave it there for a minute or two just to work. If you have any really stubborn bits, then what you can use is some tissue paper. And in order to achieve that, you can just lay it on the panel, and then you can spray the tissue. And it will stick to the panel, and then you can just leave it there for 5 minutes or so. Next step is to use an isopropyl alcohol wipe just to clean the area to remove any of the tar and glue remover residue. You can also just use some soapy water. There we go. And now that the area is clean, dry and prepared, you can get your replacement PPF piece. So you're going to take your replacement arch piece, make sure that it's nice and wet, and just peel it off. Make sure that the film doesn't touch itself. Spray the back with your slick solution. So now all you have to do is simply lay it on, like so, and then you can just squeegee it in place. You need firm pressure with the squeegee. Make sure that you get all of the water out so you don't have any bubbles. If there are any edges that struggle to go down, you can use your tack solution, and you can just spray the tack into an edge and then go over it with a squeegee. And now that it's been installed, the next step is to use your heat gun or hairdryer to go around the edges to make sure that it doesn't lift or fall off. For that, you want to make sure you're on a medium heat. It doesn't want to be super hot. Likewise, it doesn't want to be super cold, otherwise it's not going to have the desired effect. And there you have it. You have replaced your F82 M4 OEM arch piece with a brand new one, and it looks much better, as I'm sure you'll agree. If you have any questions, you can reach out to us via email, you can call us, or you can just leave a comment on the video below. Thank you very much.